all the islands that we were planning on visiting during our time in Thailand, Koh Tao was probably the one we were most excited for. The reason for this was simple. Koh Tao is known as one of the best and cheapest places in the world to learn scuba diving and to obtain your PADI Open Water certification. After some research, we decided to book our week-long stay with Phan's Diving Resort, as they were highly rated as one of the best dive schools on the island. In addition to having a beautiful, sprawling resort, with multiple pools, and an environmentally friendly philosophy of self-sustainability, with our own water treatment facilities, farmland, homemade eco-friendly bath products, garbage treatment, and more. On top of this, they had a great beachfront restaurant with reasonable prices and delicious food, 2 convenience stores, a gym, among many other convenient facilities. We were also given a great room discount along with the booking of our diving, and were able to upgrade to a higher up jungle room with an amazing view of the bay, which is well worth the daily hike up and down the steep hill that the resort grounds are built into. After settling in, it was time to go check out the rest of the island and go grab some food at one of Koh Tao's many open-air beachfront restaurants. Watching an epic tropical storm rolling in, we decided to call it an early night because tomorrow was going to be a long day of diving lessons. I have been certified since I was 16, but my partner Tess has never done anything beyond snorkeling a handful of times and was nervous about getting certified without me and taking that plunge for the first time. Luckily, I needed to take a short refresher course since I hadn't been diving in more than a year, and the instructor at BANS was accommodating enough to allow me to do my refresher alongside her class in one of the pools on the hotel grounds. So I was able to be there for moral support and to film her taking her first breaths underwater. next day, we learned that the recreational dives that had gone out the day before while we were confined to the pool had a rare sighting of whale sharks, and I immediately booked onto the dive boat that day while Tess continued with her classes in hopes of spotting them myself. Every day the boat rotates to different dive sites, and that day I visited 2, including a wreck dive. It was beautiful. The water was warm and blue, and we saw a lot of sea life, but unfortunately the whale sharks never made another appearance for the rest of our stay. following day, once again the dive instructor was nice enough to allow me to join with the last 2 dives of Tessa's class, and I was able to see how far she had come and how comfortable she now was underwater. This was great news, as now we could plan future dives together as we continue to travel the world. Class is over and her certification in hand, we decided it was time to book a scooter and explore the rest of the island properly. Here we are in Koh Tao, staying at Band's Diving Resort, where we've been for the last week, and we've experienced some amazing scuba diving. If you ever were looking into doing your PADI Open Water course, this is the place to do it. Koh Tao has been amazing. It's been our favorite island so far. We've seen some amazing beaches. We've had some great food for really cheap prices. and the overall vibe is really chill. We really like the people. It's very relaxed compared to a lot of the islands we've been to. And we hope to be back someday, but we're moving on tomorrow onto Krabi. And after one more rainy season storm to see us off, we're ready to explore the rest of what Thailand had to offer. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing and follow us as we travel around the rest of the world.